In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers in Google Slides, ensuring your presentation is not only clean and organized, but also easy for your audience to follow. Understanding how to paginate your slides can make a critical difference when delivering a detailed presentation or handout, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your presentation. This is as simple as navigating to Google Slides and selecting the presentation you want to work on. Once you're in, take a moment to review your slides and determine where you might want these numbers to appear. This context will help you make informed choices as we move along. With your presentation open, head to the top menu and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Slide Numbers. At this point, a dialog box presents you with a few options, and this is where you can truly customize your pagination. Now, let's talk about those settings. You'll see options to apply the page numbers to all slides or just to specific ones. If you want each slide in your presentation to have a number, go ahead and choose Apply to All Slides. However, if you only want certain slides numbered, perhaps to emphasize specific sections, select those slides and opt for Apply to Selected Slides. There's also an option to skip the title slide. Often, a title slide serves as the introduction or cover of your presentation, and numbering it might seem unnecessary or distracting. If you prefer to exclude your first slide from this feature, simply check the box beside Skip Title Slides. After determining your preferred settings, click Apply. This will seamlessly integrate the page numbers according to your choices. But what if you want to add a little personal touch to these numbers? That's where customizing their appearance comes in handy. To do this, you'll navigate to Slide in the menu and choose Edit Theme. This will take you to the master slides, which control the overall look and feel of your presentation. In this view, locate the Hausschwart icon, which represents the slide number placeholder. Here, you can make various adjustments. Change the font to match your presentation's aesthetic, alter the size for better visibility, pick a color that stands out or complements your theme, and adjust the position so that it fits harmoniously on each slide. Once you're satisfied with the changes, exit the master view. With these simple steps, you can enhance your Google Slides presentation with clear and effective page numbers, ensuring both you and your audience can easily follow along during your presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it adds a polished, professional edge to your next project. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.